little guy on your tummy. Ready? Who's that monkey that popped up? Who's that monkey that popped up? Is that little George? Huh? Hi, Dolly. Hi, look at Mommy. Look at you using your little muscles. Yeah. You like the little rattle up here? Yeah, you're a big boy now? Look at you using that strong tummy. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Look at that. Hi, big boy. Oh, are you blowing bubbles? Or just drooling? Oh. Okay, time to turn over.